This is my 2012 Jeep Patriot, and it's the first car I've owned in my entire life, probably my 8th or 9th or 10th car I've owned, but it's the first one with a cabin air filter. Of course, when I was growing up, there was no such thing. Wherever it came in, you breathed. I got this Carquest Air Filter at AutoZone. I think it was around $8, and the instructions it comes with are a little bit backwards. It talks about removing the dampener retaining clip. On my Jeep, I didn't have to remove that or the cord. I couldn't remove the cord, so I gave up on it, but I was able to do it without removing the cord once I loosened the and dropped the glove box from the sides. This isn't about an installation. This is about, do you want to change your premium cabin air filter? Heck yeah, and I'll show you why. This car has 77,000 miles on it. I live out in the country. I'm never in traffic. I'm not sucking down people's exhaust all day long like city drivers. And this is what I ended up with when I removed it. You can't get any blacker than that. The fan light, for whenever you want to recirculate the air inside and you press the fan control button, it started flashing, and I assumed that meant that it was having trouble getting air. I bought this thing about 4 years ago, just too lazy to stick it in. So it's actually that bad. I brought out this flashlight, and it's rather bright. Of course, we were out in the daylight, so it won't look that bright. But you cannot see hardly any light through there at all. It's that bad. It's caked in there. So change your cabin air filter, for God's sake. $8. It's Pittsburgh Pap. Feeling kind of ashamed you didn't do it 3 years ago. Have a great day. Remember I said earlier that the recirculating button was flashing? This little LED light in there. There's the one that's on for the AC. This one's off. Now I'm going to press it. Turn the fan on high. Press it. Now it's lit up, and it's not flashing. Yesterday and for the last 4 days, it's warm out, so we've been running the AC, it would flash. So evidently it knew when it flashed that cabin air filter was creating too much work for the fan motor. It wouldn't get the right vacuum. So if this is flashing, you need to change your cabin air filter. Right behind your glove box, pull it down, push in on the sides, take the cover off, left side, right side, put the new one in, the airflow side down like the instructions say. You'll get some with your filter, or you can watch the installation on YouTube like I did. Just type in 2012 or whatever year you are, and change your cabin air filter. It knows when it needs changed. Shocking. Pittsburgh Pap.